Take it away, Jose. The monkey does monkey shit. Don't give a fuck about manners, whose space he's in. The monkey climbs up high, he swings his body branch to branch, laughing his way to the top. A storm is coming, the monkey feels it. He's got a sixth sense for that. The monkey holds on tight, his muscles get taut, waiting for something bad to happen. Winds whip fiercely, trees sway to and fro. The monkey is losing strength but is determined to survive. The monkey called out to other monkeys, but no other motherfucking monkeys replied. Alright guys, let's do it. Monkey was getting tired. The pulsing of the rhythm of his heartbeat was getting loud. The monkey realized that if his mind was strong, the storm would soon pass. Birds were chirping loudly as they ascended to the sky fast. The getaway left the monkey alone to face the wrath of nature's battles. There would be no winner tonight.